Okay, good morning. Good noon, guys. Today, I'm going to make a variety of appetizers or quick snacks. Okay? So, these are all the ingredients. We need toothpick, lettuce, tomatoes. We have olives, green olives, black olives, and then sausage, bacon, squid roll, squid roll, chicken, ham, and then cheese, avocado, mangoes, and pineapples. Cream cheese also of cheese. Okay. Green olives. Okay, make it sure guys that your hands, that two hands are clean. Okay, olives, pineapple, and cheese. Okay. Okay, we want the cheese first. Like that. And then the pineapple. So it is like this, guys. Okay. Oh, and then the lettuce like this. And then the ham. Okay. Okay, guys. So like this. Oh, it's very quick. Okay, guys. So the sausage, this one. First, the sausage, and then tomatoes and lettuce. Lettuce first. Ibali na to. And then tomatoes. Oh, look at guys. Super yummy. Like sausage, and then lettuce, and then tomatoes. Okay, look at that one. Oh, it's super yummy. Okay, so okay, I know what we're gonna do. So chicken, and then black olives and lettuce. So and then black olives and lettuce. So lettuce first. Oh no, black olives. Black olives niya, lettuce. No. This is it, ha? Okay. So chicken, lettuce, and black olives. Chicken, lettuce, and black olives. Okay. Okay, tomatoes. Like that. Okay, tomatoes. Okay, so atong isigon is lettuce niya sausage. Okay, lettuce guys. And then the sausage guys. Oh, look at that one. Oh, it's super yummy. Okay. Lettuce, cream cheese, ham. Okay. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. And then ham, dayon cream cheese. Ham, dayon cream cheese. Butangan na to. Ibutang na to sa ham. Kawan na lang. Okay guys, so tomatoes, ham, and cream cheese. Okay. Tomatoes, ham, and cream cheese. Okay, it's super yummy, guys. lettuce and tomatoes. Bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes. Okay, so okay. So bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes. Bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes. Okay. Unya, okay. I-half lang din nato ang kuwan. Okay guys, so this is it. Bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes. Okay, here. First plate. We have still the second plate. Okay guys, so next is chicken. Tomatoes una. Tomatoes. And then lettuce. Papakuglaing lettuce. Okay. So, okay guys, look at that one. Okay, hapit naman tama. Mahuman pod ani, kadiyo traman ni. Ato ni Aron. Okay. Okay, first ham, and then bacon. Yeah, cream cheese ang awit. Ham, bacon, and then cream cheese. Okay. Okay guys, so ham, bacon, and cream cheese. Dayon cream cheese. Hindi makuha na. Okay. Ham, bacon, and cream cheese. Itos, okay? And wipe with the paper towels, okay? Okay, so next is squid roll, squid ball, and tomatoes. Okay, we're gonna like this, chop, slice. Okay, 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 okay. Squid ball and then. Okay, so okay, there's another one. Okay, first, okay, yada yun ang squid roll. Okay guys, so the best we have to do like this, squid roll, tomatoes, and squid roll. Okay. Okay guys, look at that one guys. Pineapple, mango, and avocado. Avocado, mango. Ay, sa ato sa ikon. We're gonna wash. Okay. Okay, so pineapple, avocado, mango, and avocado. Okay, guys. Okay, pineapple, mango, and avocado. Sausage. Ay flat. Ya dayon, ham. Okay guys, sausage, ham, and chicken. Okay guys, sausage, ham, and chicken. Sausage, ham, and chicken. Okay guys, sausage, ham, and chicken. Okay. mango. Okay. Mango. Lettuce. Okay. Mango ko. Okay, may avocado. May dayon lettuce nya mango. Kaya para na mango maguna. Lettuce and then mango. Okay guys, Okay guys, so avocado, lettuce and mango. Look at that one, avocado, lettuce and mango. Okay guys, so this is it here. So look at that one. That's our appetizers or AC quick snack. Okay. So okay, I'm going to taste, guys. Okay, I'm gonna taste this one first. The chicken, lettuce, and olives. It's yummy, guys. Sausage, ham, and chicken. Okay, guys, I'm gonna taste it. It's super pretty, guys. So that's our appetizers or quick snacks. Okay, guys, it's easy to make and very refreshing. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.